Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I thought I'll share with you guys another unique Android customization. This time, bringing custom video ringtones working on your Android phones, taking any downloaded or even recorded videos and applying them as your phone's ringtone all for free. So anytime you receive a call, you should see something like this. Now, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next one. And of course, as always, don't forget to submit your live wallpaper and home screen requests right from within the Epic Live Wallpaper app. Just head over to the live section and then click on the request button. And remember to boost your favorite ones using both the heart and the booster buttons here. So jumping right into it, to get the video ringtone set up on your phones, you're going to have to first head over to the Play Store and grab yourselves the app Love Video Ringtones, which is available completely for free. Just make sure to follow the setup process and set the app as your default phone app, and make sure to allow it all of the permissions that it needs in order to work correctly. And once done, you should see a screen like this, giving you a few different customization options. So feel free to have a good play around to see what's fully available. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on this video section. Here you can select any one of the pre-made ringtones, or you can even select one from your phone's gallery. Now, depending on the aspect ratio of the videos that you select, it will either automatically fill up your whole screen or allow you to crop in using its built-in feature. But I do have to say the crop function is a bit limited as it only cuts into the center of the video. So for those of you looking for a bit more freedom when it comes to the focus area itself, you may want to combine this with an app just like InShot, which will allow you to have a more free-flowing focus area and even provide you with some trimming options, just like I showed off in my guide on how to set any video as your phone's background. So now once you do have a video you're happy with, just click the set option and then decide if you want to set the video ringtone to all of your incoming calls or individual contacts themselves. And there you have it, you've just set up custom video ringtones right on your Android phones. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure to like and subscribe to help support the channel. And why not check out some of my Android customization videos. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.